Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who matter don't mind, and those who mind don't matter. Don't talk the talk if you can walk the walk. These expressions may sound like tongue twisters, but nah, they are not. Hello, I'm Lady, and today we're going to see a very interesting topic. When I say don't talk the talk if you can walk the walk, I'm using talk and walk as words which are nouns and at the same time they are verbs. This is possible thanks to a word formation process called conversion. So, conversion, as I said before, is one of the different types of word formation processes. It is also known as functional shift or zero derivation. But why is it known as functional shift? Well, one of the definitions for the word shift in the dictionary is change. So when we talk about functional shift happens when one word which has already been used in one manner begins to have a second use. And of course, the second use has a different syntactic function. So some examples are with the word party. If I say, I don't know if Carol is coming to the party, I don't know if Carol is coming to the party, party would be serving as a noun. However, if I say, the boys like to party all night long, party would be serving as a noun. We would understand immediately that in these two sentences, party is being used in different ways. One with a noun and the other one like a verb. Conversion is also known as zero affixation or zero derivation. Why? Of course, because it is not added any derivational suffix in order to change the word class or to change or to mark the past tense. So for example, if I say, I cut paper with these scissors, and if I say, I bought a computer yesterday and it cost me 700 pieces, in the verb cut and in the verb cost, I'm not using any morpheme in order to mark the past tense. There are different types of conversion. However, the most common one is converting nouns to verbs or verbs to nouns. So for example, the word name could be used as a noun when I say, my name is Sandra, or her name is Milena. However, it could be perfectly said, name the four oceans of the world. Please name the four oceans of the world. Name in this case would be used as a verb. So for example, if I say, what's the answer? Answer would be used as a noun. And if I say, answer the question, answer would be used as a verb. I wrote a reply to the letter. Reply is being used as a noun. However, if I say something like this, I didn't reply to the letter, reply would be serving as a verb. I'm going to give her a call. Call would be used as a noun. And if I say I'm going to call her, call would be serving as a verb. Conversion can also happen from an adjective to a verb. So for example, I have the sentence here. She's a slow thinker. So slow would be serving here as an adjective. However, I can convert this adjective slow in order to say into a verb in order to say the following. Let's say that, for example, I'm running with another person and I'm telling that other person the following. When you think you can't run anymore, slow to a walk. So here, slow has been converted into a verb in order to say the sentence. So we can also see that adjectives can be converted into verbs, taking into account these two examples. Conversion can also happen from onomatopoeic expressions to verbs. So for example, we have here beep. Beep is the sound of an electronic device. However, to beep someone is to send a message. And buzz is the humming sound of bees. However, to buzz is to speak, to make a human sound, or to murmur. In this process of conversion, some words may suffer some slight changes. So, for example, this word that I have here, if I want to pronounce it as a noun, it would be something like increase. So the stress would go in the first syllable. However, if I want to convert the same word into a verb, the stress would go in the last syllable. So it would sound something like increase. Now let us go and see some other examples.
Some words which are converted into verbs or into nouns tend to have changes in their pronunciation, although they are written in the same way. Look and listen to the following words and notice that all of them are nouns and all of them are pronounced making the stress in the first syllable. Progress, present, object, record. When these nouns are converted into verbs, their stress changes to their second syllables. Progress, present, object, record, increase. Now that the words present and record not just changed in their stress, but it also changed their first vowel sound. Before it was present, but now as a verb it is present. It was before record, and now as a verb it is record. Don't forget to remember that this just happens with some words. Anyway, you will have to learn by heart every single word pronunciation in every case so that you can make their stress properly. Now it's time to practice. Activity. Listen to the following sentences and decide whether the repeated words are serving as verbs, as nouns, or as adjectives, depending on the way they are stressed. 1. I have to record some records. 2. You made a good progress in English, and that is why you will progress to the next level. 3. We can use trucks as our method of transport to transport the materials. 4. We import some imports from China. 5. The religious convert wanted to convert the world. 6. If you perfect your intonation, your accent will be perfect. For more information on this topic, visit www.englishathome.com and www.brightuveducation.com.